Hey there, wonderful folks, and welcome back to the 60 Plus Wellness Way. It's so good to have you joining us today. If you're like so many of the amazing people I talk to every day, you're probably thinking about how to keep feeling strong, vibrant, and independent as the years roll on. And you know what? You're in the absolute right place. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's super important for all of us as we gracefully navigate our 60s, 70s, and beyond, keeping our muscles mighty. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Muscles. Aren't those just for gym fanatics or young whippersnappers? And that, my friends, is a common misconception. Our muscles are essential, I mean truly essential, for everything we do. From simply getting out of a chair, to carrying groceries, enjoying a brisk walk, or even just reaching for that top shelf in the kitchen, strong muscles make all the difference. They're our body's powerhouses, our shock absorbers, and frankly, our tickets to continued independence and a great quality of life. But here's the kicker, and it's something we really need to talk about openly: there's a sneaky little thing called sarcopenia. Sounds a bit fancy, right? But all it really means is age-related muscle loss. It's a natural process, to some extent, that starts happening to all of us after about age 30. Yep, even that early, but the rate at which it happens really picks up steam after 60, and if we're not proactive, it can seriously impact our strength, balance, and overall well-being. We're talking about losing anywhere from 3% to 8% of our muscle mass per decade after 30, and it just accelerates with age. Imagine this: you used to zip up those stairs without a second thought, but now your legs feel a bit wobbly. Or maybe that grocery bag that felt light a few years ago now feels like a ton of bricks. That's sarcopenia at play, silently but surely diminishing your muscle strength. And it's not just about feeling weaker. Sarcopenia increases your risk of falls, can slow down your metabolism, and even impact your immune system. It's a big deal, folks, and something we absolutely can and should address head on. Now, when we talk about fighting sarcopenia, most people immediately think of protein shakes, weightlifting, and hitting the gym hard. And yes, absolutely, exercise, especially strength training, is foundational. We've talked about that in other videos, and we'll keep talking about it because it's that important. But here's the exciting part, and what we're going to uncover today: you have an incredible secret weapon right in your kitchen, often overlooked, that can make a profound difference. And that secret weapon? It's fruit. That's right, these sweet, juicy, colorful gifts from nature are packed with more than just vitamins. They're loaded with specific compounds, antioxidants, and nutrients that work synergistically to support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and even stimulate muscle protein synthesis. That's the fancy way of saying helping your body build and repair muscle. It's like they're little muscle building powerhouses in a delicious package. And here's why this is so fantastic for us, for those of us 60 and beyond. Sometimes, chewing tougher meats or preparing elaborate protein-rich meals can be a challenge. But fruits, they're often soft, easy to digest, and incredibly versatile. They can be a delicious, refreshing snack, a great addition to your breakfast, or a sweet treat after dinner. It's about making muscle health easy, enjoyable, and accessible. So, today, my friends, we're going to reveal the top 5 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. These aren't just any fruits. These are the superstars, the heavy hitters, the ones that truly pack a punch when it comes to supporting your precious muscle mass. We'll break down why each one is so good for you, the science behind it, and super practical ways to get them into your daily routine. We've already touched on what sarcopenia is, but let's just recap for a second, because understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. Remember, it's that natural decline in muscle mass, strength, and function that comes with age. Think of your muscles as your body's engine. As you age, if you're not giving that engine the right fuel and maintenance, it starts to lose power. And that loss of power isn't just about feeling a bit weaker, it has real, tangible consequences. For example, sarcopenia significantly increases your risk of falls. Less muscle means less stability and less protective padding if you do take a tumble. And falls, as we all know, can lead to serious injuries that can really set back your independence. It also slows down your metabolism, making it harder to manage your weight. Your muscles burn more calories than fat, even at rest. So, less muscle means a slower burn. On a deeper level, sarcopenia affects how your body uses protein and how it responds to exercise. As we get older, our bodies become a bit less efficient at converting the protein we eat into new muscle. This is called anabolic resistance. It means we might need more protein, or different types of protein, and definitely the right supporting nutrients, to get the same muscle building benefits we did when we were younger. It's a real challenge, but one we can totally overcome. The good news, and this is truly empowering, is that sarcopenia is not an inevitable downhill slide that you just have to accept. It's largely preventable and, to a significant degree, reversible. With the right strategies, and that includes targeted nutrition, like the fruits we're about to explore, you can absolutely maintain and even rebuild muscle, keeping you strong, active, and enjoying life to the fullest. It's about taking charge, making informed choices, and giving your body what it needs to thrive. We're going to dive into each of these fantastic fruits, understand their superpowers, and then I'll share some super easy ways to incorporate them into your daily life. Because feeling strong and independent shouldn't be complicated or a chore. It should be delicious and easy. So, are you ready to uncover our first muscle rebuilding superstar fruit? Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. We're just getting started on this delicious journey to a stronger you. Now, when I say cherries, many of you might think of the sweet, juicy ones you snack on in the summer. And while those are delicious, we're talking specifically about tart cherries here. Think Montmorency cherries. They're a little smaller, a bit more acidic, and have this incredible deep red color. And let me tell you, they are an absolute gold mine for your muscles. So, what makes tart cherries so special for muscle health, especially for us as we age? It all comes down to their incredibly high concentration of powerful antioxidants, especially something called anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give tart cherries their beautiful deep red color. And they are phenomenal anti-inflammatory agents. Think about it this way: whenever you use your muscles, especially during exercise or even just daily activities, tiny bits of wear and tear happen. This leads to what we call oxidative stress and inflammation in the muscle tissue. While some inflammation is normal and part of the repair process, chronic inflammation can actually hinder muscle recovery and contribute to muscle breakdown, accelerating sarcopenia. This is where tart cherries come in like a superhero. The anthocyanins and other antioxidants in tart cherries are incredibly effective at neutralizing those harmful free radicals and calming down inflammation. Studies, and there are quite a few, especially with athletes and older adults, have shown that consuming tart cherry juice or concentrate can significantly reduce muscle soreness, accelerate muscle recovery after exercise, and even reduce markers of muscle damage. For us over 60, this means better recovery from our walks, our gentle strength training, or just the general hustle and bustle of life. Less soreness means you're more likely to stay active, and staying active is key to fighting sarcopenia. Plus, by reducing inflammation, you're creating a much more favorable environment for your muscles to not just recover, but to actually grow stronger and rebuild. So, how do you get these amazing little powerhouses into your diet? Fresh tart cherries can be a bit harder to find out of season, but you can readily find them frozen, dried, or as a concentrate. My favorite way is a small glass of tart cherry juice concentrate mixed with water, usually in the evening. It's also been shown to help with sleep, which is another bonus for muscle recovery. You can also toss dried tart cherries into your oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie. Just make sure to look for unsweetened or low sugar varieties. A good starting point is about 1 ounce of concentrate or a handful of dry cherries daily. Alright, moving on to our second muscle building superstar, a fruit that's widely available, incredibly versatile, and often overlooked for its muscle supporting benefits, bananas. Yes, good old bananas, you might be thinking, bananas. Aren't those just for potassium? And while they are an excellent source of potassium, which is crucial for nerve and muscle function, bananas offer so much more when it comes to keeping our muscles strong as we age. Here's the deal, bananas are fantastic for quick, easily digestible carbohydrates. And why are carbs important for muscle building? Well, your muscles need energy to function and to repair themselves. If you're not getting enough carbs, your body might start breaking down muscle protein for energy, which is exactly what we don't want when we're trying to combat sarcopenia. Bananas provide that quick, clean energy source. They help replenish your muscle glycogen stores, that's your muscle's primary fuel source. Think of it like topping up the gas tank of your car. If your tank is empty, your car won't run efficiently. Same with your muscles, keeping those glycogen stores topped up means your muscles have the energy they need for daily activities and for rebuilding after exercise. But there's another hidden benefit, bananas contain prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. And why is a healthy gut important for muscle health? Because a healthy gut means better absorption of all the nutrients, including proteins and other vitamins and minerals, that your muscles need to thrive. It's all connected, folks. So, how can you incorporate more bananas into your routine? They're incredibly versatile. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into a delicious smoothie, or simply enjoy one as a quick, energizing snack before or after a walk. They're nature's perfect grab-and-go fuel. Just remember, while they're healthy, they do contain natural sugars, so moderation is key, especially if you're managing blood sugar levels. 1 a day is a great start. Alright, let's move on to our third fantastic fruit, one that's synonymous with immune health, but is also a secret weapon for your muscles. Oranges. Yes, good old oranges, we all know they're packed with vitamin C, and that's exactly why they're on our muscle building list today. But it's not just about warding off colds. Vitamin C plays a surprisingly critical role in muscle health and recovery, especially as we get older. Here's the science bit: vitamin C is absolutely essential for the synthesis of collagen. Now, collagen isn't just for healthy skin and joints, it's a major structural protein in your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It provides the framework and integrity that allows your muscles to function properly and withstand stress. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to produce strong, healthy collagen, which can weaken your muscle structure over time. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your muscle fibers together and connects them to your bones. If that scaffolding is weak or incomplete, your muscles aren't going to be as efficient or resilient. So, getting enough vitamin C ensures that your body can repair and build that crucial connective tissue, keeping your muscles robust and less prone to injury. Beyond collagen, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. Just like with tart cherries, it helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage muscle cells and impair recovery. When your muscles are recovering more efficiently and experiencing less damage from inflammation, they are much better positioned to maintain their mass and even grow stronger. So, how can you get more of this wonderful muscle-supporting vitamin C from oranges? Fresh oranges are fantastic as a snack, or you can add segments to salads. Freshly squeezed orange juice, in moderation, is also a good option, just be mindful of the sugar content. And remember, it's not just oranges, other citrus fruits like grapefruits, kiwis, and even bell peppers are also packed with vitamin C. Aim for at least one good source of vitamin C daily. So far, we've covered tart cherries for inflammation, bananas for energy and gut health, and oranges for collagen and antioxidant power. These are already 3 incredible tools in your muscle building toolkit. But we're not done yet, we've got 2 more amazing fruits to reveal, and they bring their own unique benefits to the table. Stick with me, because the next 2 are just as important for keeping you strong and vibrant after 60.